Students can test their knowledge and challenge their peers with Matific Arena. Once they enter the arena, they can either start a quick match or create a match. Quick Match will select activities based on the student's current learning level and students from all over the world. Creating a match allows students to select an activity and then either play it with friends or start a quick match. They can pick an activity from one of 3 sections: Recommended for Me, from Adventure Island, or My Favorites. To play with friends, they can share the access code or link for others to join for a real-time fun activity. Students who are not logged into Matific can join this way as well. Furthermore, the game's host can allow guests to join. Students who are logged in can check for any current live games hosted by their friends and join them. Teachers can also host games in Arena so that students from the same class can compete against each other. In this way, everyone will receive a notification to join the activity.